in India. Speed went to India and he gets bit by a snake.
Yeah.
The way he reacted, I've never seen another human being or would ever see another human being react that way. He literally went on the ground, took off his pants, and he's just like going like, he's just going like this. Like,
I don't know.
and I was like, what are you doing? And they're like, bro, there are more than 50 people in the room, including police, who are protecting him. And he goes up to the police with no pants and he goes like, you're supposed to protect me. And he's like going like this. And I was like, oh my God, I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, it's like,
it's such high energy content.
You can't keep up with it. I think nowadays for kids to stand out, that's the goal, right? You saw with Fusi even. I don't know if you watch Fusi,
Not anymore. I used to though a lot.
Same, but I think recently he started streaming again, and like I think he figured out the formula, I guess. So he called like the police on himself and said, "Oh, they're shooting me." He went to like a mental asylum for a couple months.
Okay, so talking about YouTube.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.